Hello everyone, so today we will be exploring the Tailwind CSS animation library, which is very easy to use. So here they have provided few animation which you can see, which are bounce, typewriter, seesaw, and there are more which you can find here in the presets section. So let's get started by implementing this into our very basic Next.js project, which I have already installed. So to implement this, we will be using two basic steps, which are installing it and using the code which they have provided by implementing it into our Tailwind config file. So first we will be use this code to install it, and second we will be copying this line which we have to use, and we will be using it in the tailwind config file. So you have to replace this thing. That's it, it's ready to use. And then we will be using any of the preset which I mentioned here. So let's by implementing the bounce effect. So for implementing bounce, we have to use this line, motion preset bounce. So we will be going into our code. It's in the index.tsx, and you can implement in any class which you want. So I guess we will be going into this get started by editing line, and in the class name and pasting this motion preset bounce and save. That's it. And now start the website. It's live. Okay, and now you will be seeing this thing. You can see the animation which is there in this line. It's bounce effect. If you want to see more, and I guess we can implement this on the deploy now button. So we have to find the deploy now button. It's here, and okay, and on the a tag it's right there, and we will be pasting the animation right there and save. And if I copy, you can see the animation is you can find. And if you want your custom animation, they have also provided, you can integrate your custom animation also. So right now we are using bounce, so you have to select the bounce animation from here. So we will be using bounce, and then we can make the animation by our own. So we will be like using the bounce effect by implementing from the left side, and here you can get the css class. Simply copy it, go back to your code, and simply paste it. It's ready to use. And now if you see and you reload, here you can see that the deploy now button is coming from the left side. Instead, on by default it's not. So this is the Tailwind CSS animation library which you can use. There are multiple presets which are there, and if you want you can change the duration also, if you want the animation to be delayed or if you want the animation to get fast. Here they have also provided that thing also. That's it, and if you find it useful, please give it a like, subscribe, and thank you very much.